Jordan brand is closing its 40th anniversary with iconic releases like the Air Jordan 4 Black Cat, Air Jordan 5 Tokyo, and Air Jordan 5 Fire Red, but the spotlight is also shifting to year 41, which celebrates the 25th anniversary of the Air Jordan 6. Central to this milestone is the reverse infrared, a fresh reinterpretation inspired by a late 90s sample of Michael Jordan's sixth signature sneaker. Unlike the original, this version swaps the sole design, highlighting a bold stripe of infrared against a black base while removing the reflective 3M underlays to echo its early build. This creates a sleeker, stealthier aesthetic that nods to its heritage while offering something distinct. Adding to the nostalgia, the heel proudly features Nike Air, a detail designed to thrill longtime collectors. Altogether, the reverse infrared bridges past and present, reinforcing Jordan brand's legacy.